How to check whether a number is an Armstrong number or not. In our previous lesson we have learned how to use the modulo operator and the integer division operator for extracting the digit at one's place and eliminating the digit at one's place respectively. We may use the same operations for checking whether a number is an Armstrong number or not. So, what is an Armstrong number? An Armstrong number has a very interesting property. If we sum each of the individual digits raised to the power of the number of digits in the given number, it will be equal to the given number. For example, consider the number 371. It has 3 digits and the digits of the number are 3, 7 and 1. Now compute 3 to the power of 3, 7 to the power of 3 and 1 to the power of 3. Sum the previous results. And, yes, the sum is 371. So, 371 is an Armstrong number. Similarly, 407 is also an Armstrong number. Few more such numbers are 1634, 92727, 548834, etc. Now pause the video and check the number 153. Is it an Armstrong number? Show your answer in the comment section. Problem-solving steps. We may solve the problem using the following steps. Step 1. Input the number to check. Step 2. Calculate the number of digits in the given number. Step 3. Calculate the sum of the individual digits raised to the power of the number of digits. Step 4. If the sum is equal to the given number, it is an Armstrong number, else it is not an Armstrong number. For step 2, we will use the function count_digits for counting the number of digits of a number. For steps 3 and 4, we will use another function, isArmstrong_number. It will return either true or false. So, let's start coding. We will first write the code for the function count_digits. This is our function definition. Let's check the code in the terminal. So, our code is working fine. Now we will define another function, isArmstrong_number. It will check whether a given number is an Armstrong number or not. Let's call the count_digits function to count the number digits in NUM. So, this is the complete code for determining whether a number is an Armstrong number or not. Let's test it in the terminal. So, our code is working fine. Now let's modify the code for taking user inputs. Our code is complete. Let's test it again. So, this is our complete code for checking whether a number is an Armstrong number or not. If you find any difficulty in understanding, you may watch the lesson as shown on the I button above. We have already learned how to check for an Armstrong number. Let's use the same code for generating a list of Armstrong numbers in a given range. Accept the lower and upper range of numbers for checking from the user. Now let's write a for loop for checking all the numbers in the given range. We will use the isArmstrongNumber function inside the loop for checking for an Armstrong number. This for loop checks all the numbers in the given range one by one and prints only the Armstrong numbers, if any. Let's run the codes in the terminal and check the results. So, these are the Armstrong numbers within the range 1 to 1000. Let's check for another range. Now run the code in your system and find the number of Armstrong numbers in the range 1 to 1 million. I will be happy to see your result in the comment section. You may find your answer in this lesson also. This is all for today's lesson. I do hope that you have enjoyed the lesson. Please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more such useful lessons. Thank you very much. Happy coding!